Hello everyone, I'm Dan Stahl, president of the Stahls Family Small Business Scholarship. Today is Veterans Day, and as you can see behind me, we are honoring our veterans and military personnel. At the beginning of this year, to celebrate our 90 years in business and to honor the spirited entrepreneurs who contribute to our success, we announced that each quarter throughout 2022, we'll be awarding a shop makeover worth $10,000 to one small business. It's hard to believe we've already awarded scholarships to two amazing entrepreneurs, and now we have the opportunity to work with another small business looking to leave their mark on the heat printing world. I'm thrilled to introduce our third quarter winner, Lab Graphics from Cheney, Pennsylvania. So please join me in congratulating Leanne and Henry, owners of Lab Graphics. Lab Graphics is a family-owned business that has specialized in vehicle, window, and trade show graphics for 20 years. In recent years, the team at Lab Graphics has been slowly working to expand into the apparel branding and design market to provide their customers with an additional service to meet their needs. With their new scholarship winnings, Lab Graphics is eager to establish an apparel customization shop space, refine their tools and equipment, and enhance their marketing efforts to finally make their mark on the apparel customization and branding space. We were thrilled to be able to surprise Leanne and Henry and let them know Lab Graphics is our third quarter winner. Plus, we all got it on film, so check it out.
Yeah.
I mean, we're looking to make a hire this year regardless.
Yeah.
Whether they're, we haven't really decided what we want where the biggest need is for us in terms of personnel. But more than likely, it would be an in-house person who would actually be trained on how to do all the heat presses as well as work our other printers. Because that's probably one of our biggest needs right now. Sales is kind of covered and out in the field is kind of covered, but Leanne, she'll be the first one to say that she can get bogged down sometimes in the weeds in the office and in production. So
sure.
Again, that's another reason why we really like Stahls, is having the ability to, make a couple of transfers at very little cost, be able to present that to a customer, sell them, and then turn around and reach out to you and say, hey, I need 120 pieces printed and cut and shipped to us so that we can expedite this. I mean, that's a huge added value for us.
Yeah.
Great. Well, I think that's all the questions I had, other than what are you guys doing this weekend? Are you working, or are you going to have time to enjoy?
We actually have dear friends coming in from out of town later this evening. Their daughter's getting married next weekend down in Charlotte. So we're flying down for the wedding, but we decided, since it's their oldest daughter's first wedding, really, we won't get to spend much time with them. So they're coming a week early to spend with us so that we get a little commiseration before the big event.
Aww. Well, that's awesome. So you can celebrate their daughter getting married, and
that's
you can
right.
You can also celebrate the fact that you actually are our third quarter winner.
Wow!
Are you serious?
I'm serious.
Wow.
Oh, that's incredible.
What?
Yes.
Okay. Wow. So
wonderful.
So, what does this mean? I wasn't expecting this. I said to Henry, we had a little meeting this morning, and I said, look, I'm thrilled with the way things are, just as they are right now. I'm so happy with our business and where it's gone this past year. We've made some huge milestones. And I said, so, we're just finalists. It's okay. We'll just, if we get it, it's great. If we don't, it's fine. Everything's good.
It's going to be even better now.
It is. It is.
Get out of here.
Well, congratulations.
Wow.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Not only will Lab Graphics receive $10,000 worth of new heat printing materials, but our team of experts will also be on site to train Leanne and Henry on using the new equipment and meet virtually for quarterly coaching sessions. If you're inspired by Lab Graphics' story and your shop needs a makeover, tell us about your small business dream. You could be our final scholarship winner of 2022. Tell us about your business and what you would do with a $10,000 shop makeover at this link.